one of the very few quizzes in which the number of prizes is more than the number of participants. Sir? हाँ नहीं सर बिना उसके प्राइज नहीं मिलता. I remember a dialogue from Sholay. Sholay is a big management lesson, I would say. Every dialogue is a management lesson. There's one scene when he says कि गब्बर सिंह को एक बकरी का बच्चा तो नहीं कि दौड़े और पकड़ लिया. वो कहता हाँ काम मुश्किल है लेकिन आसान कामों के कोई पैसे नहीं दिखता. तो for prize you have to get something. I would request you to please come in the center. I'll not be able to see you. Sir, if you could please join here so that I can just see. It's a question, one prize thing. So, can you have the next slide, sir? Yeah, next. There are blank slides. So these are blank slides. Actually, that's all. Rules for the quiz. Simple rules. I have been given 20 minutes. I would like to finish off as early as possible. So this is, please raise your hand if you know the answer. Don't give the answer unless asked to. Just don't give the answer. You have to raise your hand. Just raise your hand. And don't give the answer along with raising the hand. Just raise the hand. Sometimes people do, who's the Prime Minister of India, rather than Modi. No, you have to raise your hand. I'll come and ask you. If you, sir, please. Rules are there. Back, sir, back. Don't give the answer in last two. If you win a prize, please be silent and enjoy the program. Give others a chance. And one man, one prize should be enough. What say? I think one man, one prize is enough here. All electronic devices to be put in pockets and bags. Youngsters, you have good mobile phones, and I'm trying to buy one. So can you give me your models, mobile phones? All of you.
Sir, in the pocket.
In the pocket, in the bags. Okay. No Google Baba, please. Yeah. So Quizmaster Z is final. Okay. Can we start, sir? Yes. Ma'am, with the permission of the chair. Okay. Yeah. First, identify. Everybody knows it.
Sir.
Senior most person, sir. आप बताइए, sir. I think you must be knowing it. I think the youngsters should be given a chance. I'll give two chances. Sir. अच्छा.
Union Minister for Health and Family.
Okay. The questions are basically general in nature. More or less, very few. I put a few technical questions, technical in the sense of occupational health, but I try to put it, make it as interesting as possible. Prize for you, sir. I think. Yeah, that's the spirit. I think we should clap for every prize. Most of the people, when I ask such questions, some people say कि मेरे को तो भी आना है, मुझसे नहीं पूछा. But you should clap. You should be sporting. I know you know it. Most of sir.
How you get your senior than me?
Sir, by looks, sir. I'm not a doctor, sir. I'm an engineer, sir. See, I wanted to be a doctor. I have said it before also. I wanted to be a doctor. My grandmother wanted me to become a doctor. I could not qualify any of the entrance exams. So when you don't become a doctor, you become an engineer. Okay. Can we have the next slide, sir? Next. Yeah. हाँ, तो side हो जाएगी. Okay, next question. Next slide. And next.
Jagat Prasad.
Okay, sir. Jai Prakash, sir. Jagat Prasad, अच्छा. Okay. NIHL. Sir. Lady. I'll give a lady a chance.
Non-induced hearing loss.
Perfect answer, ma'am. Perfect answer. Price. Yeah. जब तक बड़े वाले हैं तो बड़े वाले देने, जब खत्म हो जाएंगे तो छोटे वाले देने हैं. ठीक है? Yeah, we'll give you, sir. We'll show you the answer. It's noise-induced hearing loss. Next. Yeah, identify the logo. Simple one, you can work it out easily. Sir, first one to raise the hand. No, I need the exact answer, sir. National Safety Council is the answer I was looking for. Clapping, please. The way answers are coming, I think it's going to end in 10 minutes only. I believe. छोटा दे दिया, गलत बात. बड़ा वाला बोला था आपने. हिंदी नहीं समझते क्या बात है? हिंदी में बोला था. छोटा वाला is chocolate or what? Price is price. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ जैसे. नहीं सर, मैंने बोला था उसको actually. First पहले price बड़े वाले खत्म करेंगे. हाँ नहीं, all are same. Okay, all are same. Next, can you have the answer? National Safety Council. Okay, next. Yep. Expand HCP. First one, only one. Perfect answer, sir. Perfect answer. Also, you can decide the prices. किसको कितना knowledge में कितना price छोटा मिलना चाहिए, बड़ा मिलना चाहिए. Because I don't know who are the professionals and who are not. So, okay.
But small gift is more costly than the bigger one.
Oh, that I didn't use, sir. That I'm not aware. Sorry, that was a catch actually. So Dr. was giving a catch actually. Yeah, next one. Sir, आप तो मिल गया सर, आप ही चेंज होगा. Okay, next one. Yeah. Who or what is this? I want it from the kids. Yes sir, first one to raise the hand. Yeah.
Master Dumas.
NUP. Occupational health quiz sir. Yeah, first one. Yeah, jacket one. Black jacket.
Aristotle.
NUP.
Hippocrates.
Hippocrates. Who else? I mean, it's a doctor's quiz or occupational health quiz. Yeah. Can you have the answer, sir?
Yeah.
It's Hippocratic oath. What will Aristotle do in occupational health quiz? Yeah. Next. Significance of the, you can work it out. It's something. It is signifying some day. Like you have word environment day. This is some day. You can just check the symbols and you can make it out. Yes.
Sir, water with soap to wash the hands.
Perfect answer. I think it's a brilliant answer of the day. He needs a very, very good clap. Very, very good clap. Can you have the answer, sir? Yeah. It's 15th October, Global Hand Washing Day. The most, I think, common reason for occupational health diseases, I would say, sir. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Logo. Sir. Can you expand it? And actually, R is not there, but I'll give it to you. Don't worry, I'll give it to you. It is National Health Mission. Okay. Sir, clapping for him. You got a prize. You should have. You should clap for others more. Your mission is complete, but this mission still lies. Next. Yeah, the pigment that gives color to the skin is called. I think everybody knows it. Any lady? Yeah, lady. First lady. Yeah. Melanin, simple one. Perfect answer. Yeah. Next. Look. I've given the clue inside. Sir, I need the exact answer. You're on the right track, but not the right answer. Yes, sir.
National Disaster Management.
Need a better answer. You're on the right track. आपका हो गया ना prize, sir? NDRF, National Disaster Response Force. It is. आपदा सेवा सदन. That's why I left the clue. Yeah. I think हो जाएंगे सारे questions prize. जल्दी हो जाएगा. Next. Depiction of for youngsters. You got a prize? No? He's always the first one to. You have got many chances. Lady, yeah.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink and drive. That's true for everyone. Especially for you youngsters. Yes, that's the right answer. I think they deserve a clap. Don't drink and drive. Okay, next. Who's the illustrator? You find his characters in every office. Who's the illustrator? No one? Yes, sir. Nope. That's the clue. It's not R.K. Lakshman. These safety calendars you find in every offices. Sir, you have a prize, sir.
I can give the answer.
No. But let others have a chance, sir. It has to be some illustrator. He said R.K. Lakshman. It's not the right answer. He's no more. Yeah.
Is it Mario Miranda?
It is. Why didn't you say that? It is Mario Miranda. The famous Miss Nimbu Pani and whatever one more character was there, na? Miss Nimbu Pani or something like that. He is credited with all the safety calendars which you find in your offices. Next. What is depicted by MMR? Everybody knows it. Sir, आप लोगों को तो देना नहीं है, तो बच्चों को ही देना है मैंने. Student, yeah.
Maternal mortality.
No, not here, sir.
Measles, mumps and rubella.
Measles, mumps and rubella. Yes, sir. आपका फील्ड है ये तो एक्चुअली. नहीं मैंने दे दिया, क्या करें हम? बच्चे दे ही पाए सही आंसर. एक ही बच्चे ने हाथ उठाया था. Sorry. No, you said mortality rate.
That is also right. Correct.
Okay. So I should have but I wanted the different answer. This one.
More common is
Quiz master is
Yeah.
final.
It is final, sir.
Final decision is the master on it.
Yes, sir.
Target on
No argument on that. Yeah, next. Yeah, that's a big one, but the answer is very simple. The symbol originates with the medieval dancer macabre symbolism. By the 15th century, the symbol had developed into its familiar form. It's used in military flags or insignia, expressing the recklessness or ferocity of the unit displaying it, since at least the 15th century, and becomes associated with piracy in particularly the 18th century. It came to be used specifically to mark the entrances of Spanish cemeteries. The use of the symbol to mark its present use dates to the 19th century. Which symbol am I talking about? Very common symbol. You just raise your hand, sir. Yeah.
Letters.
No. Much simpler than that.
Anchor.
Clues are here only. Sir, you have to raise your hand. I can't listen. Somebody said answer, you have to raise the hand. Yes, sir.
Anchor.
No. It's much simpler than that. You got a prize, sir? No. I won't give you a chance. Sir.
Skull and bones.
Google तो नहीं किया ना sir?
नहीं.
It is the right answer. Skull and bone, the danger symbol. Piracy. The skull crossbone, the danger symbol. He deserves a better clap, I think. He gave a very good answer. Thank you. Next. मैं इसलिए लिख दिया NRR as used in occupational health. Yes. Youngsters, otherwise go to seniors. You got a prize? Stay silent. Sir, आपका मैम, you would like? चलिए आपने हाथ क्यों नहीं उठाया? आपने कहा था उठा सकते हैं, मैंने कहा उठा सकते हैं. Nobody gets a chance. नहीं मैं देख रहा था लेकिन कोई हाथ ही नहीं उठा रहा तो मैं क्या देखूं? अब आप लेट उठा रहे थे उस टाइम. Somebody was raising their hand before you, so I can't come to you. Okay, next. Yeah, whose campaign? 15 people lose their lives every day in India because of not wearing seat belts. Don't be one of them. Before you drive, ask yourself and everyone in the car, Pehni kya? You got a prize, ma'am? No. Those who got a prize, please stay silent. Somebody from that side? Yeah, first one.
Maruti Suzuki.
Maruti Suzuki, right answer. Can I have the answer, please? Yeah, Maruti Suzuki. I think every newspaper had this. Next. X is the process of designing or arranging workplaces, products and systems so that they fit the people who use them. Identify X. Yes, ma'am. Ergonomics is the right answer. Yes. Right. निकालो बाकी सब बाहर रखो. हो जाए क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास. The lady. Ergonomics. How many prizes? और है ना सर? Yeah. Logo? Yes, sir. No, LIC, sir. ठीक है, it concerns with health, but sir. No. It's a chocolate, eh? This answer deserves a chocolate, actually. Okay, OISD is the right answer, actually. Oil Industry Safety Directorate. I was going to say the clue that I am one of the clues. So, my industry. मैं हाथ उठाया था मैंने. लेकिन इन्होंने क्या किया? किसी ने नहीं उठाया तो हाथ आंसर के साथ उठाया. So I had no choice. Had it been someone else, I would not have given it. Okay, answer. Oil Industry Safety Directorate. Next. Identify any lady. I want a lady to answer. Barring those who have already answered. It's very simple. Don't give the answer, sir. Somebody is speaking. Don't give the answer. Somebody is prompting to some lady. कि मैम मैंने तो ले लिया प्राइज, अब आप भी ले लो, आपको भी मिल जाएगा. Yes, anyone? एक मिनट. No lady? Sir.
Washer of pressure cooker.
I want the exact word.
Safety
It's not the washer. आपको प्राइज हो गया सर? नहीं हुआ तो फिर आप आपके हाथ को प्राइज दे रहे हैं. हाथ उठाइए ना सर, आंसर मत दीजिए. Hold on. He gave the answer actually. Safety wall is the right answer. Ladies भेजती हैं सबको चेंज कराने के लिए. They don't know how it looks like. Okay. इसलिए मैंने बोला ना, भेजता है सबको है, लेकिन लेडीज को पता होना चाहिए सेफ्टी वॉल है कहाँ पे. Okay. Next. Yeah. Okay. I would like some non-doctors if I there to give the answer. Then I'll shift to the doctors. The shape is roughly spherical. The outer layer is a lipid membrane which is taken from the host cell in which it multiplies. Inserted into the lipid membrane are spikes, which are proteins, actually glycoprotein, because they consist of protein linked to sugars known as hemagglutinin and neuraminidase. These are the proteins that determine the subtype. These are important in the immune response against it. Antibodies, proteins made to combat infection against these spikes may protect against infection. The neuraminidase protein is the target of the antiviral drugs. Also embedded in the lipid membrane is the M2 protein. What is this all about? Sir, you got a prize, na? Shortly. You got a prize? No. You got a prize? No. Those who haven't got a prize. But no googling, please. Somebody is on his laptop. Wi-Fi simple
Somebody
अच्छा
is
sir.
willing to answer and who has got the prize, they can be taken. If
Later on, sir. Just for the claps. But if nobody answers, let people try actually. Make a guess. I have highlighted the clues. Hemagglutinin and neuraminidase. I have highlighted the clues. Those are the clues. Work it out. Work it out. Simple answer. Complex question. You got a prize, sir? No. First we need. So let somebody have it. Your prize? No? Yeah.
Influenza virus.
Which influenza?
H1N1.
Yeah, H1N1. That's right. Correct answer. You got the clue. Swine flu virus. Influenza is a generic term. Okay, next. Who is the advertiser? Spare parts of our humans are not as original as those for cars. Don't drink and drive. It's a very beautiful advertisement. I think it's won many prizes. This advertisement. Sir, आपको prize हो गया. Youngsters who have not got a prize, you can work it out. Clues are there in the movie. Sorry, in the lecture. Can easily guess. How many more, sir? More prizes? जितने हैं निकाल लीजिए. Question है मेरे पास. No. Yes, sir. सर रुकिए ना. किसी को प्राइज लेने दीजिए सर. जैसे लिया ना H1N1 उन्होंने ले लिया प्राइज. Yes, anyone trying? See the colors of the advertisements. You can make it out. Just see the colors of the advertisement. From colors, from different color combinations. Sir, you got a prize? No. Yeah.
Several Toyota.
Chevrolet, Toyota दो अलग-अलग कंपनी है सर. मेरे को एक चाहिए आंसर. No. No. Both are wrong. Both are wrong. See the colors, yeah. Colors, you can make it out. The color combination, the shading. No one then I'll go to someone who has got a prize. No one. Sir, you were saying something. Black Dog whiskey. Nice, sir. One evening. Good time, but not the right time.
Mercedes-Benz.
No. See the colors, sir. Can you have the answer? Has to. प्राइस नहीं मिला ना आपको? ले लीजिए प्राइस सर. आपने सही आंसर दे दिया. वही बचा था. और भी बचा भी नहीं था. BMW is the right answer. See the white and blue colors. The white and blue and black in that. All colors of BMW logo are there in the advertisement. Okay, next. आपकी ये गाड़ी सर BMW है क्या? अच्छा, मुझे लगा शायद. The ABC of first aid is yes sir. You got a prize?
Airway breathing circulation. Airway breathing circulation.
Prize please. Perfect answer. Deserve the clap. Answer sir. Airway breathing circulation. Yeah. I hope it doesn't have a second answer. Okay. Okay. Next. Identifier. That's a tough one. ये और पुराने लोगों के लिए है. Identifier. आपको प्राइस मिला सर? अरे बताइए ना फिर.
Amrita.
No. Occupational health में क्या करेगी कमला है?
The Health Minister Amrita.
Sir.
Dr. Amrita, Health Minister of Government.
First Health Minister Dr. Amrit Kaur sir, you should know it. Amrita बोल रहे हैं आप. Amrit Kaur, you should know it. Amrit Kaur होना चाहिए पूरा आंसर. Okay, I'll give it to you. You came very close. अब मुझे लगा अमृता प्रीतम बोल देंगे अभी उसको.
नहीं अमृत कौर.
अमृता बोला आपने तो मैंने कहा अमृता प्रीतम बोल देंगे. उसकी शक्ल कुछ ऐसी ही है कुछ. Anyways, राजकुमारी अमृत कौर. Next. But she was not a Sikh. She was a Christian actually.
She was the first health minister.
Yeah, first health minister. Yeah, first health minister. First lady to join the Indian cabinet and first health minister. उनके नाम पे ओपीडी वार्ड है ना सर? एम्स का जो. हाँ, एम्स का. ओपीडी उन्हीं के नाम पे है. हाँ, ओपीडी is named after her.
Nursing college.
Nursing college के बाद हाँ, because I had a treatment in 1982. तो उस टाइम मुझे याद है राजकुमारी अमृत कौर ओपीडी होता था तो बी के क्विजर आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड मैंने कहा पहले जाके सर्च करूं पूछूं कि अमृत कौर कौन था आई आस्क्ड माय फादर अमृत कौर कौन थे देन ही टोल्ड मी कि शी वाज द फर्स्ट हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ओके on 9th December 1868 what was installed outside the British Parliament for the first time. They were promoted by the railway engineer J.B. Knight and constructed by the railway signal engineers of Saxby and Company. I'm an engineer, so I can't be a question without engineering or something like that. You got a prize, I believe. Think. Question may sound very tough, but answers are coming. Answers are very simple if you see. Think. You can make it, sir. Those who have not won a prize. Try, sir. Try. Sir, तुझे try करो. Army Day. Army Day was installed outside British Parliament. How can a day be installed, sir? Hold on. Sir, आप मत बोलिए. Answer. ये बोलेगा बोलते जी.
Signal.
What signal? Traffic light is the right answer. Traffic lights. Yes, that is. Can we have the answer? How many, sir?
You can take more 3 questions.
3 more? All prizes finished? ठीक है sir. We can take it. We have time, na? We have got time. Yes. Next. In the second test match between West Indies and Australia at Barbados on March 17, 1978, Graham Yellow did something for the first time. He was badly hooted by the crowd. What did he do? You got a prize? Prize? मत बोलिए. Yeah. Those who have not got a prize so far, sir, try मारो एक और. करो कुछ तो बोलो. 10 कुछ तो 10. ट्रिपल सेंचुरी है ना? हुटिंग क्यों करेंगे क्राउड उसकी? You got a prize? Still not. Come on. Bouncer. Okay. Graham Yellow. No. Bouncer तो वेस्ट इंडीज की पहचान है. मतलब वेस्ट इंडीज is known by bouncers. You want clue? Clue? Sir, it's something to do with the topic. Clue is he is a batsman, he's not a bowler. He was not a bowler, he's a batsman. He did something. Sir, you were saying something. You got a prize or no? You don't know? Yeah, tell me.
He attended without a helmet.
He attended, so he was booed by the crowd. He should be cheered by the crowd. Okay. Any better answer? Can you prove your answer? I gave you the clue.
He was wearing a helmet. Ball को पैर से मार. Use the pad.
Sir, okay, health की बात हो रही है, safety की बात हो रही है तो फिर. Okay, can you have the answer? No prize for this one. You missed it. He wore a helmet for the first time. He was the first one to wear a helmet. And people, sir, आपको मिल गया प्राइस इसलिए मैं देखा नहीं आपकी तरफ. I was just wanted to show he wore a helmet because and he was booted because people booed him. He is afraid of the West Indian fast bowlers. He can't face them. So he wore that bike helmet, scooter helmet. He was the first one to wear a helmet. So safety. 3 more? Yeah, we have. Identify X. This is for the youngsters or any lady. X is a gram-negative, facultatively anaerobic, rod-shaped coliform bacterium that is commonly found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded organisms, endotherms. Most X strains are harmless, but some serotypes can cause serious food poisoning in their hosts and are occasionally responsible for product recalls due to food contamination. Simple one. You got a prize? No? Man, prize for him. You got a prize, sir? You got a prize?
No.
नहीं बोलिए.
Salmonellosis.
No. Very simple answer, sir. Any lady, you got a prize. Prize वाले please do. You got a prize? Still not. बोलो यार. E. coli. Yes, it is E. coli. E. coli, as simple as that. Finally, you got it. That's really the King Bruce of this hall, no? King Bruce and the spider. You have heard the story, ना? कहानी सुनिए King Bruce and the spider की. अरे यार क्या सुना फिर? King Bruce वो था ना स्पाइडर को देख के स्पाइडर चलता था वो करता था फिर गिर जाता था फिर उसको देख के he again went to the war and won it. Okay, next. Try again. वहीं से आई ना वो. Identify. Occupational health and safety. The poster of a movie. Just raise your hands. You got a prize? No. Tell me. No. You got a prize? Yeah. No. Sole. Who said that? Yes, Kala Pathar. Right answer. The Chasnala mine tragedy. The biggest accident occupation health accident, no sir? Biggest industrial accident of India. One more prize, one more question. Okay, sir. Any other last question of the day? Identify. Sir, first one. आपको मिल गया prize, sir? First one. He was the first one actually. It is, but Bhopal gas tragedy. Correct. Okay, sir? Okay, thank you very much. Good night, audience.